Race Flabag, they're open racing. Ella Enjoy grabs the lead in the early part. Fargo in between horses is reward for effort. Out of straight they travel. Ella Enjoy on the outside with gap in between horses. Reward for effort. Running by the wheel is Fargo. Reward for effort leads now by half a length, followed by Fargo. Ella Enjoy. Into the back they travel. It's still reward for effort. Leads by some 2 lengths now, followed by Ella Enjoy and Fargo. And passing the half mile, reward for effort. Leads by some 2 over Ella Enjoy in second. Running in third is Fargo. Nearing the last 600, reward for effort. Leads by Alan Kanihapa. And here comes Ella Enjoy. Try to get closer and Fargo remains in third. Inside the last 600. It is still reward for effort, leading by half a length, and Ella Enjoy now the outside. Towards the last 300, it's now Ella Enjoy, followed by reward for effort and Fargo. Towards the final turn is still Ella Enjoy, leads by some 3 lengths now, followed by reward for effort and Fargo. And at the last 150, it is still Ella Enjoy, leads by some 6 to 7 lengths now, and finally Ella Enjoy. Close finish, Fargo, and reward for effort.
Ayan, so it's Ella Enjoy.